Okay, our question of the day today is from Rochelle.
Hi, Dr. Rajani. I just want to let you know that I absolutely love all your videos. You go into great detail when you are explaining things. I had just saw the video of Nurse Jamie injecting the Easy Gel in under your eyes, and I was hoping that you do another video going and reviewing the after effect of all that. Again, I thank you for putting out all those great videos.
Okay, great question, Rochelle. Thank you. So, video, I'll put a link to that video below. It was how I got rid of my under eye bags. Nurse Jamie did Easy Gel for me, kind of little in the high cheek, mainly the lateral orbital rim. So around the edge of the eye, I was noticing hollow. And as injectors, I'm probably guilty of it over the years too, not injecting enough product at that lateral orbital rim. We traditionally used fillers. Fillers are imperfect. They draw water in. They're dangerous, of course, a little more dangerous to put in the areas around the eyes, the nose, and the glabella for blindness and occlusion. But they can last many years as well. And as they wear off, they can become irregular. So for many reasons, fillers aren't the answer. What Rochelle's referring to is the Easy Gel. So it took the blood, spun it down, heated a portion, added my own stem cells and growth factors back to it, and Nurse Jamie injected my under eyes. So what is the result of that? 3 months from the actual treatment, and you watched it live maybe on Instagram, something like that, but I've been very happy, and that hollow is gone. It's still gone. What happens there is the heated proteins that we put in there, of course they act like a filler because it's a gel. So they fill the area. That's been proven to last at least 3 months, but as the heated albumin, that gel goes, the body's own growth factors, stem cells, particularly what we're looking here is something called VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor. That helps increase blood flow to the area. Blood flow, of course, makes the area healthy. And then there's platelet-derived growth factor. And that is another one important. You'll see that talked about everywhere. But that helps recruit cells and recruit mesenchymal stem cells to the area that we put it back in. So it's the wound healing cascade, if you will. And that helps the fat get healthier, helps with lymphatic drainage, but it also, I think it plumps that fat a little bit, and that's what we're seeing. But there's no filler here. I can't feel anything. And for me, it looks great. I'm very happy with it. It took care of the hollows, and I'll keep you updated on how it looks. I'm going into the clinic tomorrow and get some after pictures. So we'll do that. Maybe that would be a fun video. We'll do that. But in general, I've done hundreds of these now. I've trained hundreds of clinics now, especially after the last 2 months we did a big tour. And people are parroting that. They're saying that, yes, they're seeing those same results. So we're moving towards more all-natural treatments. I'll get you an update. You can see me on these videos, on Instagram, on social media. It's the results right in front of you. Stay tuned here. Keep your skin and body beautiful, healthy, vibrant, and ask questions in the Ask Dr. Rajani below.